folks, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a video to update on these Firewall templates that I've been selling. So I've gotten quite a bit of interest. I've sold several dozen of these sets. Just wanted to show what type of stuff we can do. So this is going out tomorrow. It's 63, 64, same thing. So we can do passenger side only if you want to show that. That's if you just want to delete the heater core and just shape only the passenger side, we can send you just that. If you wanted the two-piece, this is the driver's side. So this particular guy, he didn't want the bulkhead on the Firewall and no wiper. So wiper delete, no bulkhead. Instead he opted for this little plate here, which I can attach some pictures. So this is cut to fit the driver's side fresh air vent. So you can put your bulkhead in the fresh air vent, and it has to be cockeyed like that to make it fit. You do have to cut out some plastic on the fresh air vent, but this can relocate your bulkhead. And this is I get a lot of guys asking just for the vintage air template, which basically is so simple. It's just some circles just to run the hoses. They usually tuck them up under here on the passenger side, up on top of the fender, or you can put them anywhere. You can put them right here or whatever. But all it is a cardboard template and a trace out. This actually came with a vintage air kit, so I know it fits. So we got them. These are ready to go. So whenever we cut them, I clean up the edges. So basically, it's ready to go. It may need some minor trimming, but shouldn't need a lot. Shouldn't need almost any. So we got three more 64s, 63, 64 by far the most popular. These were cut out. I haven't cleaned them up yet. As you can see, they're kind of jagged. We cut the square holes with the plasma, and then I clean them up with a belt sander. And I'm looking to get some billet covers made to cover the square hole. We're working on that hopefully this week. So like I say, we can do with wiper, without. We can do without the bulkhead. We can even do without a brake booster, you know, whatever the customer asks for. So I usually cut them out and I don't drill out the wiper until they actually sell. Because, you know, about half the time they don't want wiper, other half they do. So I cut them out and we don't drill them yet. So this is 65 through 68. This one's ready to go. This is how we ship them. All I do is duct tape the edges together, and then we shrink wrap it and tape it. And we ship FedEx. Usually gets there within 3 days. We haven't had a single complaint and nothing has been damaged. So it works. And so we got 364s ready to go. We can do 59 through 70. So this is 65 through 70. 59 and 60 are the same. 61, 62 are the same. 63, 64 are the same. So we can span, you know, 10 years worth of cars on the Firewall plates. So these weld directly over the existing Firewall. Like I say, I've done it a few times. You just have to clean up some edges, and then you bolt these on with your hood hinge bolts on the 64s, and it kind of holds it in place. Should slide over the brake booster, and then you start welding. So these things are ready to go. I've had a lot of people on YouTube ask how they can get in touch with me. I wish YouTube had a private messaging option, but it doesn't. So you guys can text me at my personal number. That's 281-832-2856, or you can message me on Instagram. Same as the Lonestar Low with an underscore, Lonestar_Lows. Same as the YouTube channel. And you guys can find me on there. And I'm always posting these things as I sell them.
In the description of the video.
And it should be in the description. So what we'll do is we'll attach some pictures of the completed result of what these things look like when they're on the car. And like I say, all these plates here I've installed personally on my personal cars and the 68 with my buddy's car. So I know they fit. So hope you guys enjoyed this update. Stay tuned for more work.